Welcome back, and we got a new power station we're taking a look at today from today's sponsor, ISSOMI. Real quick, please give the video a like and subscribe for free to help support the channel. I really appreciate it. So this power station is a 296 watt hour capacity with 110, 220 volt, 300 watt output. So that's a total of 7 outputs, 1 quick USB charge, 2 normal USB ports, 1 USB-C, wireless charging port, AC standard grounded outlet, and 1 12 volt, 36 watt DC port. So there's a wide variety of ways you can hook up to this. It's completely portable, shockproof, IP63 waterproof. It'll keep water out, it'll keep dust out. We're at the point right now in time where this portable technology is becoming very affordable. New tech like the ISSOMI power station creates portable power just like in your home, but on the go. Definitely pretty awesome. So not only can you keep all the devices charged, but also you can run household items. This can be especially useful if you're in a job site where power might be limited during a power outage or while you're camping. Appreciate you guys so much. Thank you for checking out the video. Hope this helps you out with your purchases. See you next time.